Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to integrate Calendly to system.io. So first of all you have to do is go to the system.io dashboard, and in the other tab I have also opened Calendly and I have set it up my event on Calendly. So once you have created an event on Calendly, what you have to do is go to the dashboard of system.io and go to the website section and click on sales funnels. Now you'll be able to see all of your funnels that you have created on this page. So I have only created one funnel. I will click on my funnel name, which is sales. Now from this page, you have to click on edit page. Again, a new page will open. Now you have to make sure you have enough room to add your calendar. For example, I have some room here to add my Calendly calendar. What I will do, I will go back to Calendly, and in my event, what I will do, I will click on my event settings. Click on, for example, I will click on share. And from here, you'll be able to see an option called add to website. Click on it. Now you'll see three more options: inline embed, pop-up widget, and pop-up text. You have to select inline embed and click on continue. Now you'll be able to see a code on this page. Now what I will do, I will go back to my system.io edit page. Now I will scroll down to the bottom and you'll be able to see an option called raw HTML. What I will do, I will drag and drop my raw HTML to the empty section. For example, I will drag it on this section. Now here my raw HTML file has been added. I will click on raw HTML, and on the left hand side you'll be able to see an option called edit code. Click on it. Now as you can see, I have to paste some code which we will get from Calendly. Now from here what you have to do is simply click on copy code. Once copied, I will go back to my editor, hit enter, and paste my code by pressing Ctrl V on my keyboard. Now click on save and check if our calendar has been added or not. Now what I will do, I will simply click on this preview button to check if it's showing on my website or not. As you can see, my event has been added on my website. And that's how you can integrate Calendly to system.io. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and also don't forget to subscribe.